Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this is the House of My Perfumes. House of My Perfumes is another Middle Eastern perfume house from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 30 years, but lately they upped their game by big margin, and they are been making amazing fragrances for, especially for the price. And this one is from their high tier lineup or luxury lineup, and it's called Arabiyat Prestige. And this one in particular is called Musk Al Youm. It's Eau de Parfum 100 ml and is targeted unisex. As usual with the Arabiyat Prestige, look at this beautiful cardboard, thick cardboard box. Attention to detail is always there. Is very nice on the eye, is nice in the hand. It's just attention to detail is beautiful, especially for that price. Sorry about the noise. This one you can find it in United Kingdom under £30, give or take. In other parts of the world, if you are interested and you can't find it, they ship globally, but obviously you have to pay the shipping, but they are accessible. Okay, look at that, beautiful. And it opens. How does it open? Oh, okay, opens like this, and look at this, beautiful. Presentation for the price, amazing. How can you find a presentation like this under £30 anywhere else? Okay, the bottle is beautiful and it's very heavy. So heavy bottle, very nice again on the eye and the hand, very heavy and thick bottle. And the cap is weight to it, is metal, and is rose gold color, and the atomizer is rose gold color as well. And let's see the atomizer. Here we go. Good atomizer, not the one of those pressurized one, but it's good. It does the job perfectly. Okay, so this one Arabiyat Prestige, and this one is Musk Al Youm Eau de Parfum 100 ml, targeted unisex. And here we go. How is the smell? First impression. Woo! As he says, musk, it is a big musk, so you need to like your musk first and foremost. But the musk is in here is very clean, very inviting. It's very bright, very open. It's quite sweet. Yeah, sweet. I smell something like a vanilla in the base. Yeah, definitely vanilla in the base. The musk in here is very bright, very inviting, very friendly, very universally palated. So it's not challenging in any way, shape, or unusual, or you know what I mean, or funky or anything like that. I can smell big floral, and the florals here definitely rose. It's a massive rose, and also jasmine with it. So the combination of rose and jasmine are working together superbly well with that musk. Again, it's very bright, it's very open, and the rose in here is around pink rose, so it's pinkish, pink rose with a white jasmine. It makes it very inviting and very delicious. I can smell some woodiness in the base, most likely to be sandalwood and cedar combination together to just lift everything up together and round everything together and keep it going for much longer. But again, it's very clean in the base. The woods are very clean, very friendly, very universally palated. Nothing out of place here, nothing challenging, nothing funky or anything like that. I smell something like a bergamot and lemon combination in the beginning, just to open it up, to give it a lift. But again, it gets lost very quickly, but it's there for in the beginning. So it's a combination of lemon and bergamot, which is giving it brightness. But you immediately meet with rose and jasmine, especially the rose. Rose is like 80% rose, and like let's say 60% rose and 40% jasmine, something like that, in that combination, that you know what I mean, that mix. Beautiful, beautiful. So it's not a very complex fragrance, but you don't need complex fragrance every day, do you, for any occasion. This one is good for going out, good for casual, is very, very versatile. It's one of those fragrances, it's like a Swiss army knife, any day, anywhere, any season, any time. So it's very, very versatile. In terms of sex, absolutely unisex, yes, bang in the middle, no problem, man and woman can wear it. And in terms of age, I would say 25 and up, because at the end of the day, no matter how friendly it is, it's oriental fragrance, plus this is a musky fragrance, so you need to like your musk. And overall I would say 25 and up, but if you like this kind of fragrances, the age doesn't mean anything. Season, definitely better suited for warmer weather, but you can use it all year round because it's got a depth and basically strength to it. You can use it all year round, even in winter. In summer, less sprays; in winter, more sprays. At the moment, it's feeling the room, feeling the house. What a smell! It's very balanced, it's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very good perfumery, it's very well blended, it's good ingredients in here, especially for a price under £30. This is a bargain, because I smell much more expensive than less than £30. I smell £100 plus. Yes, it's very, very well done. Oh my goodness, very, very beautiful, very pretty, very beautiful, very inviting. It's quite sensual. It's very good for going out, close encounter, dating, a special occasion, evening, and things like that. But you can use it casually if you like as well. But it is on an opulent side a little bit. What else? Under £30, this is a no-brainer. Yes, yes, yes. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely loving it. I'm a big fan of musk anyway. I'm a big fan of rose anyway. I'm a big fan of jasmine anyway. So everything in here, and sandalwood. So everything in here is just perfectly work for me. But for you, obviously, overall, it's very friendly. It's very universally palated. It's one of those fragrances very, very few people will have problem with or dislike. It's one of those fragrances. It's just a mass appealing and probably compliment getter or attention grabber. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, they are amazing value for money, and they smell great. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, yeah, I'm perfume myself, and support me that way and get something beautiful in return, but you need to live in the United Kingdom. They are out of this world, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, mesmerizingly beautiful, very mysterious, very unique, very artistic. But as always, you need to live in the United Kingdom to purchase them. I leave them the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.